Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into Fxstreet app review in order to check if the app is worth downloading. So here's a breakdown. The FX app is great if you follow forex or global market. It delivers real-time currency rate, technical analysis, economic calendars, and breaking news straight to your mobile phone. Trader love that you can customize alert for key price level and economic event, making it easier to react fast when market moves. But the app can feel crowded with ads unless you pay for premium, and some users says the push alerts aren't always timely or accurate. Also, if you are a casual investor rather than an active trader, the depth of data might be more than you need. So in my opinion, I actually think the app is worth downloading if you are serious about forex trading or you want detailed market information on the go. So if you just check occasional rate or simpler price watch app, another app might be a better option for you, at least for your own better fit. And that's it, instead of paying for premium. I'll find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review. You're welcome.